Here I have Peugeot 3008, and on this example I will show you how to connect the Peugeot car to a Wi-Fi. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. As you can see, if you open the home screen of the Peugeot car, you will see the following icons. Let's choose here the gear icon, so it will be the settings. From the settings, you need to choose connectivity, the third option, and from the connectivity, let's select here Wi-Fi networks. As you can see, here you can enable or disable the Wi-Fi network. Let me enable this feature. And if you enable the Wi-Fi network, you've got access to the list of networks that you can use. In my case, let me connect my car to this network. Let me just enter the password. Let's wait a few seconds. All right, let's connect it. And as you can see, here we've got the information, this icon, about the connection. So it means that your car is connected to this network. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.